Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium video. Today we're looking at this fabulous 96 ball gown. Look, it fits me perfectly. And we're going to show you how we made this. So here it is going in the kiln. So the kiln is up 785. I'm going to have a quick open of it. Check it out. I think that's looking nice and lacy now. So I am just going to switch the kiln off. It doesn't need to anneal as it's so thin and small, the glass. Here are these out of the kiln. I think they work well. We need to make sure the backs are really well cleaned before we put them on. That's going to be residual thin fire on there, and if you have that then it won't attach so well to the glass. So you need to make sure you get rid of that. I mean, they look a little bit like lace. We've got a bigger hole here and some bigger holes. I think maybe where the glass was slightly thinner it worked better than where the powder was slightly thicker, but I think on the piece this is going to look fantastic. So we're going to put it on and we can see how it looks. So here it is out of the kiln and looking fab. We had a little kiln gremlin, this little Murrine moved. This is from some of our minis and it moved over here. Doesn't matter, just adds to the kind of whole feel of the piece. Love the lace, really think it looks super great on the piece. Love our 96 pink tulips and we call purple chrysanthemum, but then they're fired, they're much pinker. So that's good to know. Pink hearts also look great, and just really think this is such a cute piece. So cute, in fact, I'd quite like to wear it. Can we make one big of teeny just for me to wear, please? I hope you've loved this video. Remember, you can get all our fabulous products, 96, at tabithasglassemporium.com on our website, and check it out. Also, we have our, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends. They'll love it too. And also we have our Facebook group, Tabitha's Glass Emporium Facebook group, where you can see how everyone else is doing with our products and what they're making. And until next time, happy fusing.